My name is Tamader Hwaidi from Libya. I am the organizer and administrator of the UK Teachers Councils in the Northeast. First and main tip for anybody who wants to learn a language is having a passion, and also thinking that you're not going to a class to get information from somebody. The information needs to come out from you. So you need to have to feel that need of learning the language, and to feel the need to use it, and to feel like I'm going to look at different situations that I would need the language for. That's how it starts. Try to be where there is an atmosphere of that language. So maybe a cafe, having friends, not going to go going to an Arabic country because that will be very expensive, but ideally being in a community where the language is used is one of the main main reasons that you learn a language. If you need it, you're going to learn it. If you don't need it, no matter how long you are in a class to learn language, you're not going to get it. Yeah, and you're not going to learn grammar, so don't worry if you make mistakes. You're learning from the situations, people talking, and make mistakes in grammar, not knowing anything about grammar. That's normal. I mean, people who speak a language might not know anything about the grammar of it, but they are excellent speakers, communicating it and use it every day.